So if you're changing your own tires or you're going on a road trip or you just want to re-torque your wheels, there's a couple different torque wrenches that we can use, and we're going to show you how to use all the different types. Here at the shop, when we torque wheels and we do anything with wheels, we like to use these protective sockets, then you don't scratch or damage the wheels. So this first torque wrench is a split beam torque wrench. The way that you set it is you would unlatch this here and you would spin the dial to your desired torque value and then close it and you're good to go. So the second torque wrench here is the digital torque wrench. This is overkill for torquing wheels, and it's usually the most expensive option out of the three, but it's quite nice to actually switch between Newton meters and foot-pounds with this little unit button down here. And last but not least, we have the most common style, which is the adjustable click style torque wrench. The way that you adjust it is you pull this collar down and then you twist it into spec, and the actual gauge sheet is just down there like that. And once you're done using these style of torque wrenches, you need to zero them out, or else they'll lose calibration, and then you could either over or under torque wheels. That's just exclusive to this style of torque wrench. So the wheels that we're going to be torquing for demonstration purposes is going to be on this 2004 Beetle, and torque spec is 140 Newton meters or 102 foot-pounds. You can find your wheel torque specification in your owner's manual. If you're wondering why I use two different torque specifications, some manufacturers use Newton meters and some use foot-pounds. If your torque wrench only displays one of those values, a quick conversion rate is 1.35 Newton meters per 1 foot-pound. So 100 foot-pounds, 135 Newton meters would be a very easy comparison. The wheel torque specification for this vehicle is 140 Newton meters or 102 foot-pounds. So that's what we have our torque wrench set to right here. And we're gonna go down to this bottom guy. And with this torque wrench, it'll light up green once it's at the specified value, and then you know that bolt is good. And you want to do it in a star pattern. So on this vehicle, you do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's different for a 4 bolt, a 6 bolt, an 8 bolt. You can do a quick Google search and find a chart for how to torque your wheels. So now we have the click style setup. We have it set to the 102-ish foot-pound mark. And then we're gonna go down, and that click is when you know you're good. And then the last one here is the adjustable click type. So we're gonna push down, and that click is when you know you're good. I hope this helps you in deciding which type of torque wrench that you would like to purchase and then use on your own vehicle. They all have their own different merits, and they all need to be recalibrated after 1 year. This is very important because you don't want a wheel to fall off because your torque wrench is out of calibration.